have a monkey in your pants?
Right then guys, this is another gameplay on the good old Amiga, and following on from the last one, which was Zenon 2 by the amazing Bitmap Brothers, I thought I would go a bit back in time and do Zenon 1. This is another game released by the amazing Bitmap Brothers. Zenon 2 was originally 1989, which was the last gameplay that I done, and this one was a very early Amiga game, 1988. Now I've never played this game before, and this idea, if you like, came from another YouTube user called Struroro. I'll put a link down to his channel down below anyway. He says, why don't you go back? Oh, music just kicked in. Why don't you go back and do Bitmap Brothers games, for example, which I'm planning on doing. This certainly looks a bit different from Zenon 2. Anyway, we'll see. Oh, you can transform into a ship somehow. We'll see how it goes, so let's get going. Right. Sector 1, said the man. Okay. Oh, spaceship! Oh, so you have to fly when you're spaceship, right, okay. I was gonna say you can't sure. Oh my god. I was gonna say you can't surely just shoot set. Oh, bloody hell. Shoot certain. Oh no, you can only shoot those enemies when you're on the ground. I thought that might be the case. This is a bit. But they can still shoot me? Where's my energy? Christ almighty. Right, you're going down. Uh oh. Oh, it's alright, he's on my side. I needed to fly there. Certainly, the music's not up to par of Zenon 2. But, let's land. Yeah, you can shoot those things in the deck. It seems to be a lot safer in the air anyway. Where is my energy? That is the question. Not bad music, like I say. Nothing like good old Zenon 2. But it's oh, I'm getting some power up, so. The music sounds like it's struggling, but. Oh, power up. I really don't think it is. I think it's just the weird as fuck music. Up, down, up, down, up, down. No, I can't. I can't fly now, and this is just bizarre. I can only shoot what way I'm going. This is a bit fucked up. Sound wise, it's fairly decent. Graphically, it's alright. It's an early Amiga game. How'd you kill this fucker? That's what I want to know. Oh! Now I've seen my energy just fucking rapidly depleted. Oh my god, I am dying. I didn't realise I was on the ground, that's why I've got hardly any energy left. Zenon 2 by the Bitmap Brothers. Hard as fucking shit. Oh, I got some wings. No, no, no! I wanted the other one that I had. Am I like at the start of the level again, or what? I do lasers. Oh, fuck nuggets. It's a bit bloody hard anyway. Like, I don't. I'm just gonna stay airborne. It's too dangerous going on the ground, but those things just keep following you. Give me some power ups, people. This is a game that I'd never played on the Amiga. It's maybe a bit early in my Amiga time frame, if you like. Maybe that's why I've never seen it before. No, holy fuck nuggets, what's going on? Special power. Is it the same body again? Because if it's the same body, I'm gonna die like, oh my gosh. How am I supposed to do this? Oh! Death by baddie. Christ, is that it? Sector 1, says the man from the Matrix. I think we'll have one more shot. This is bloody hard. Xenon 2 was easier than this. What do you do? Oh, I could only get that power up when I was on the ground. I should have went on the ground. It's quite a fucking hard game. I don't like the fact that you can only go on the ground or in there, but when you're on the ground, you have to, if you want to shoot backwards, you have to go backwards or fly. If you get what I mean. It's quite hard to shoot it the way you want to shoot when you're on the ground. Right, come on, come on, come on. Bog off, baddies. I don't know if anybody remembers something called Shoot 'em Up Construction Kit. Kinda reminds me of the kind of game you'd make using that. Like, you may wonder why oh no! I was gonna say you may wonder why I'm only collecting 7 weapons, because I was trying to keep what I had. I don't want that either. Oh, fuck off. This is going bad. Here we go again. Let's get bummed by the body. Bummed by the body. Shit. I wish you could, like, just stay facing forward and shoot forward, because you have to run away and you can't shoot them when you're running away. And they shoot you like that and it just comes and tries to bum you again. Being bummed by a space baddie. My god, it's actually pretty fucking hard. Taking a beating I am. Some concentration on my face. They're like heat seeking or something. Oh, I'm gonna get hit one more time and I'm dead. Please, you just die. Come on, give me a break here. Boop. Why have I only got half energy? Why did I only start with half energy? I'm not feeling this game, guys. As you can maybe tell. Oh, fuck. Oh, that made them things blow up. W must stand for wings. Die, die! Right, I don't want the... Well, I was going to say I don't want the lasers. It doesn't make much difference, because by the time I get to the body... Is that energy? I'm just getting pumped. I'm just dying for fun now, I am. Not so sure about the bloody music. Oh, I've got some more guns than I had last time anyway, I think. Oh, I'm just absorbing energy. I'm like absorbing energy, absorbing bullets. I'm just like a bullet sucking device. Here, bullets, come to me. Let's... It's... It is not easy, people. That's Ascent, quite an early 1988 game by the Bitmap Brothers. They had so many amazing games on the Amiga, so next bunch of gameplays will be Bitmap Brothers games. If I can speak, sorry, I'm trying not to die and I just died horribly, but that's it. Sector 1 is brick hard, let me tell you. I didn't even get anywhere in that. What Bitmap Brothers game will we play next, people? If you want to see a particular Bitmap Brothers game, let me know and I will play it next. Otherwise, I'll just choose one. That's how it goes. But that was Xenon 1. Not quite as good as Xenon 2. But it's still fucking hell, man. Brick hard, brick hard, brick hard. As always, guys, thanks very much for watching us. I'll see you next time.